In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now tap on any password that you wish to edit, enter your screen lock and hit Continue. Then tap on Edit button and change whatever you want to. When ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!